So in the last top 10 class, you had looked out of the apartments and discussed what is happening in apartment A, B, C, and D, right? And we were talking about present continuous tense, like whatever is happening at the time of speaking. Like in apartment A, uh, an old man is reading a newspaper. In apartment B, two children are playing. In apartment C, a young girl is talking on the phone and she is smiling. So what was the exercise? It was talking at the time of something which is happening, and this is called present continuous tense. Now in the talk time, we come to the last segment of this lesson, emotions and feelings. The last segment, which is speak better. In speak better, it is very important to read those sentences for two things: for fluency and for correct pronunciation. Right? So let me share the screen with you. So we come to the last segment of this lesson, the E segment. In the speak better, there are 10 sentences which have been compiled, which can also help you in speaking about yourself or communicating or whatever, right? So these are the sentences which you can also use. So let me read it once for you. Sentence number one: paucity of funds upsets me. You can write down the sentence: paucity of funds. Paucity, the word paucity. I'll explain this.
And paucity means
Yes.
scarcity.
क्या?
Paucity means scarcity, man. Lacking.
Please be clear. क्या मतलब होता है?
Scarcity, ma'am. Lack.
Scarcity, yeah. Paucity of funds upsets me. Scarcity of time, no time. Funds, it means money. When you are low on your cash, कभी पैसों की कमी हो जाती है, तो that upsets you. Paucity of funds upsets me. It means there's no dearth of talent in Simish. There's no scarcity of talents. Now, you please read the sentence. Paucity of funds upsets me. Read.
Paucity of funds upsets me.
Yeah. Sanjali and Manisha, read.
Okay, ma'am.
Read.
Paucity of funds upsets me.
Manisha.
Manisha, it's your turn.
Paucity of funds upsets me.
Paucity of funds upsets me. Now, this sentence can be taken into paucity of time, paucity of ideas. कभी idea नहीं आ रहा, idea की बहुत कमी हो रही है. किसी भी
And deficiency, it might be the meaning of paucity.
paucity, anything which is less, not enough.
Knowledge.
Small in quantity or
Yes.
number. Yes, ma'am.
Paucity of food sometimes.
Ma'am, lack of food भी बोल सकते हैं ना?
Paucity of facilities. Right.
Paucity of better management.
Anything. Paucity का मतलब ही होता है कमी. तो यहाँ फंड्स का मतलब होता है पैसों की कमी आपको परेशान कर देती है. पैसों की कमी से तो हर कोई परेशान हो जाता है. तो So what upsets you? There was a question. What upsets you? So you can ask.
Paucity of ideas upsets me.
Paucity of ideas can upset you. Paucity of
Paucities of knowledge upsets me.
oh, right, that's right. That is very good. Paucity of knowledge can really upset you. So,
Upsets me.
but
Paucity of curiosity upsets me.
तो तुम जब तक क्यूरियस नहीं होगी तो तुम कुछ सीखोगी कैसे?
Yes, ma'am. That's why upsets me.
Curiosity has got to be there. So
No,
somebody says,
ma'am. Paucity of learning. It might be.
हाँ, तुम लर्निंग में तुम जितना होना चाहिए उतना लर्निंग है नहीं, कम है.
If someone have not that type of attentiveness towards learning,
Somebody is not
then
attentive. हर चीज में अटेंटिवनेस मत डाल दिया करो. If you are not attentive, then if you there's some lack, a paucity of attention.
lack of attention. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So the line was paucity of funds upsets me. Now you can write down and many other sentences: paucity of funds, paucity of ideas, paucity of knowledge, paucity of learning, capability of some doing some skill. Right. So moving on to the second sentence. I'm happy because I've come first.
I'm happy because I have come first.
I'm happy because I have come first.
Now, when you're writing, you will say I have. When you're speaking, you will say I'm happy, because this is also a spoken class, no? Talk time in spoken class.
And
I'm happy because I've come first. I'm happy because I've come first. Please repeat this sentence.
I'm happy because I have come first.
I'm happy because I've come first.
Good. मनीषा, तुमको बोलना क्यों पड़ता है? बोल, पढ़ो. हेलो मनीषा. Network issue. What is the problem?
Manisha, can you hear me? She left, ma'am.
I'm happy because I've come first. Because I've come first. What makes you happy?
I'm happy because I have got first prize in competition.
Okay. I'm happy because I've got the first prize in competition. I've
Yes.
got the first prize. When you're writing, Khushi, you will say I have, but when you're speaking, you happen to be, shortened form, the contractions. I've.
Okay, ma'am. I.
And I'm happy, not I am happy because I have come first. Shorten it. I'm happy. I'm happy because I've come first.
I'm happy because I could come first. Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
happy because I have got new opportunity after failure the old one.
Okay. The third sentence is, I feel low because I have failed. The low feeling is that I am feeling sad. I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling low.
I'm feeling degraded, ma'am.
Degraded and disappointed.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm feeling low. I'm feeling low because I have failed in my duties.
Ma'am, their type only I feel low.
Yeah.
Not feeling. Only B form. B1 form is written there.
I feel low because I have failed. Because I'm using have, that is why the third form. Right?
Yes,
I
ma'am,
feel
it
low
first.
because I feel low because I not got good marks in examination.
Khushi, first you read this sentence and then you make your own sentence. First you read, पहले आप इसको पढ़ो और फिर अपनी
Okay, ma'am.
और अपनी कॉपी को बंद कर लो. हर वक्त लिखने का नहीं होता है, कुछ स्पोकन भी करना चाहिए ना. The class is
Okay, ma'am.
time is completely spoken. Read and speak, right? I told you just to write the sentence down. I feel low because I failed.
I feel low because I failed.
I feel low because I have failed.
I've. Do not
I
about I've. Okay. The fourth sentence. I'm embarrassed. Why this is all jumbled up?
Yes, ma'am. I'm an embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed because I've come late.
I'm
am
embarrassed.
embarrassed because I've come late.
I'm embarrassed because I've come late.
Okay. Why? On what other situations you are embarrassed? I'm
I'm
embarrassed.
embarrassed.
I could not answer the question.
I'm embarrassed because I'm not capable to answer the required question.
Okay. I'm embarrassed because I was not able to answer the question. Yes, Manisha, please read. Hello? I'm embarrassed because network issue maybe. Question number 5. I'm delighted because I've got a job.
I'm delighted because I've got job.
What?
I'm delighted
Oh,
because I've got a job.
why did you leave? Oh, I'm delighted because I've got a job. These are all spoken sentences. So जैसा लिखा हुआ है ना वैसे ही पढ़ो. I'm
Okay,
delighted
ma'am.
because I've got a job.
I'm delighted because I've got a job.
मैम इसका एक्सेंट थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है ना एज स्पोकन और रिटन फॉर्म में.
Written तो बिल्कुल अलग चीज है ना. Written
Yes,
में
ma'am.
तो you write it down, but when you are speaking में बहुत फर्क हो जाता है. ठीक है. फर्क क्या हो जाता है?
Yes.
You have to shorten the contraction.
एज जब हम रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को जब रीड करते हैं ना, स्पोकन जब हम स्पीक आउट करते हैं तो उसमें कंपैरिजन में थोड़ा डिफरेंस
Because you are using contractions.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
delighted. I
Using.
did not write I am delighted. Now I have shortened it.
I'm
I'm
delighted.
delighted because I've got a job.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
I'm delighted because I have got a job.
I'm delighted because I've got a job.
खुशी तुम नहीं दिख रही क्या? दिख रहा है क्या?
Ma'am, oh, I read, ma'am. I'm delighted because I've got a job.
Got a job. Got a
Ma'am,
job.
again can I read?
Yeah, read.
I'm delighted because I've got a job.
Good. I'm delighted. The L is written Well, April. Say April.
April.
No, it's not April. अच्छा वो भी तुमको बताएंगे. Correct pronunciation क्या होता है? Since I am also taking this voice and accent classes, ये speak better क्या है? बस voice and accent है. कैसे उच्चारण करना होता है, कैसे pronounce करना होता है, ठीक है? तो it is April. April.
April. April.
April.
हिंदी में क्या बोलोगे? अप्रैल बोलोगे, right? वो ठीक.
April.
लेकिन इसका correct pronunciation है April.
April.
Not
April.
all A is not A. तो यहाँ पर April होता है. April. ठीक है.
April.
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 Yeah. I have to make a sentence with April.
मैम उसका हिंदी प्रोनाउंसिएशन अप्रैल होता है.
हाँ, हिंदी तो अप्रैल होता ही है,
यस
बट
मैम.
इंग्लिश में अप्रैल. अप्रैल. अप्रैल.
अप्रैल.
In April, there will be starting a new session of
No, the A is with an A sound, not A sound. Not apple sound. Apple. Cat. No. A. Pace. Face. Race. Ape. April. Right? Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
It's something which is very important. और सही इंग्लिश बोलना और सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन में उसको बोलना, करेक्टली प्रोनाउंस करना. दैट इज वाई स्पीक बेटर इसीलिए टॉक टाइम में दिया गया है, सो दैट देयर आर सम सेंटेंसेस which will help you to speak correctly and with the correct pronunciation. Sanjali, where are you? Chalo. So I'm delighted because I've got a job. I went to Delhi in April. Chalo, forget that. I just made a sentence with April. Number 6. I'm on cloud 9 because I've got my dream job.
I am on cloud 9 because I've got my dream job.
Do not,
मैम विद
do not
एक्सप्रेशन.
break the sentence. It should be fluent.
Fluent with expression. What exactly the
This
sentence
is a
is?
fluency
Yes,
drill.
ma'am.
Fluency drill. Do not break. Do not stop anywhere. I'm on cloud 9 because I've got my dream job.
I'm on cloud 9 because I got my dream job.
Good. Now, what is the meaning of cloud 9?
I'm full of
Extreme point at the apex.
No.
वैसे
मतलब
तो लग रहा है cloud 9.
cloud 9.
and climb up
Yeah.
with happiness. Extremely happiness.
Cloud 9, please write down. This is an idiom. This is an idiom which means you are extremely happy. You are very, very, very happy. You are on top of the world.
Ma'am, just like winning the championship.
हाँ, सबसे आज मैं आगे. माना
Yes,
था पीछे. So on cloud 9 means you're extremely happy. When you're so blissful, and you're laughing, you're talking. Because why? Because you've got a dream job. All your life you wanted to work in this company, and now जब तुमको वो job तुमको मिल जाता finally. नौकरी मिलनी बहुत बड़ी बात है, लेकिन getting a dream job, something which you've been aspiring for, कि बहुत दिन से आप उसको सोच रहे थे कि अगर काम करेंगे तो यही काम करेंगे. So you become extremely happy. So I'm on cloud 9 because I've got my dream job. Please read this again.
I'm on cloud 9 because I have got my dream job.
I'm on cloud 9 because I got my dream job.
Cloud, cloud नहीं, cloud,
Cloud.
no, cloud.
मैम दोनों अगर इडियम को डिफरेंट करेंगे तो ये क्लाउड मींस तो मैम बादल ही होगा ना.
बादल के पार क्लाउड 9 मतलब क्लाउड जो दिख रहा है वो तो दिख ही रहा है, उसके ऊपर
हाँ.
भी है, ऊपर भी है, ऊपर जाते हैं, मतलब ऊपर ही ऊपर जा रहे हैं, 7th heaven में जा रहे हैं. I'm on 7th heaven.
सातवें आसमान में ऐसा मतलब.
Very happy.
Oh, wow.
हिंदी में भी मतलब होता है when you're
Extreme happy.
on the 7th heaven you're very happy. So when you are on cloud 9, it is obvious, it is apparent that you are at a very advantageous position, that you are blissful, you are happy, you're extremely happy. Right? Moving on to the seventh sentence, please.
मैम वो तो फीलिंग ऑफ वेल बीइंग भी हो सकता है ना, हम अच्छे से रह रहे हैं, लाइवलीहुड भी अच्छा है तो।
हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर if you're very happy, वेल बीइंग है आपका, everything is going fine, you're fine in perfect health, your studies are going on fine, you're getting good grades. I'm on cloud nine. I have nothing to worry about.
Yes, ma'am.
So everything is happening according to my wishes. So naturally, you will say, yes, how are you? Okay, questions are done. How are you? What's up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you? Great.
I'm on
cloud nine.
I'm feeling well, yes.
I'm on cloud nine. I'm on seventh. These are expressions. And if you want to look, if you want to be different from the others, you have to speak differently. अपनी जगह बनानी होगी. सब लोग बोलते हैं, how are you? Fine. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm on cloud nine. बोलने में क्या जा रहा है? Even if there's some tension, so it is always good to stay happy and use good words. ये अच्छी जो बातें हम लोग करते हैं ना, good words, positive feelings, ये manifest होता है. अगर हम बोलेंगे I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling bad, तो कुछ ऐसी दो चार चीजें हो जाएंगी तो तुम you will start really feeling bad. अगर आप बोलो
Yes, ma'am. Cycle.
हेडेक हो रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, हेडेक नहीं भी हो रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, after some time you will start getting a headache.
Psychologically affect करता है.
साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट
Yes,
होता है
ma'am.
एंड मैनिफेस्ट होता है ना. नेगेटिव भी, नेगेटिविटी मैनिफेस्ट हो जाती है, मतलब जो आप सोच रहे हैं वो हो जाता है. मैनिफेस्ट,
Take reality.
It will occur.
इट विल हैपन, इट मैनिफेस्ट हो जाता है. गुड थिंग्स, बैड थिंग्स. अगर आपको डर लग रहा है कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ हो ही जाता है.
मैम ये मिथ है या फिर फैक्ट है?
इट इज अ फैक्ट. ये
It
सब
is a
चीजें
fact.
मैनिफेस्ट होती है, मैनिफेस्ट. सो अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि यू ऑन क्लाउड नाइन, if I ask you how are you and if you say I'm on cloud nine, there will be certain something and that will make you feel you're on cloud nine. ये सब
Because someone is, yes ma'am, because someone is feeling positive, then outcome will also in terms of positivity.
face, your speeches, whatever you speak, हमेशा होता है वो मैनिफेस्ट हो जाता है. क्यों कहा जाता है थिंक पॉजिटिव, अच्छा सोचो अच्छा होगा, क्यों कहा जाता
Or
है?
be positive. Yes ma'am.
आ जाता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
They all
Because
say
negative
think
Will be
positive,
effect.
don't think negative. हमेशा बोलो कुछ अच्छा होगा.
कोई सोल्यूशन भी नहीं है, so
और ये बता तो नहीं, it manifests. Negative
yes
feelings
ma'am.
will manifest, positive feelings will also manifest. तो क्यों हम नेगेटिव क्यों बोले, हम अच्छा क्यों नहीं बोले? Right? अब दिन भर अगर प्रॉब्लम है, you know, there was a let me give you an example. There was a very famous writer, John Keats. He was a writer and he was always very upset. Something happened in his life. He lost his father when he was very young, and he lost his mother also, and then he lost his brother, his younger brother. Also, he died. So he was one very sad person, very sad. So what happened one day? He decided that, and he was a great writer. He wrote so many poetries. So then he thought I'll stop writing, and he was so shattered. He was so sad that he could not bear the pain of separation of his brother, and he goes to his friend's place, and there he sits in the garden, and then while he was sitting he hears a nightingale. A nightingale is a singing bird. So
बुलबुल. Yes ma'am, हिंदी में बुलबुल बोलते हैं.
John Keats forgets everything. He gets so lost in the nightingale
Nightingale.
song that he forgets everything, and then he writes a poetry. The poem is Ode to the Nightingale. And in this poem, he writes, John Keats writes, The world of human.
Famous poet, yes ma'am, international poet.
Yes, ma'am.
Then he writes in the poem, the world of these human beings are filled with depression, tension, sickness, blame. Because he says, when one person meets the other person, he will not talk about anything good. He will talk about the pain, the suffering, the problems. And he wants to go, that is why he wants to go in the world of Nightingale and tells the Nightingale that I want to stay with you. And he wants to die at that moment because he's feeling good. Because once he will go back to the human beings world, he'll be feeling bad. So he says, I would like to die in this very moment when I'm feeling good because I'm in the company of the Nightingale. So the feeling manifested because he says you have, when you are living, you have nothing to look forward to except that you will be getting older, you will be getting sicker, and you will become so thin like a ghost, and then you will die. So
In
this was
class, yes,
this was his thought, and at the age of 22, he died. It manifested, no? It manifested. You're always thinking of death.
crystal cut, yes ma'am, manifested.
So always think positive. If you get a chance to read Ode to the Nightingale by John Keats.
Ma'am, in class 11th, I have read in the English
I
part.
had to give this example because of this manifestation. Manifestation means if you think positive, it will happen. If you think bad, even that will happen. So you said it is a myth. It is not a myth. So John Keats was a famous writer who only thought of death, only thought of dying. Nothing is in life to be
Because
happy.
that will pursued by senses, yes ma'am.
So it manifested, and soon after he's finished his poetry, he died at the age of 22 only. He left the world. But he was a great poet. Right? So how are you? I'm great, I'm good, I'm on cloud 9. बोलने में क्या जा रहा है, बोल लीजिए. हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ हो जाए. It may be something will happen that will take you to cloud 9. Right?
I am happy-go-lucky person.
तुम कहाँ की स्पीक बेटर याद कर ली तुम. I am a happy-go-lucky person. Yeah. How are you? As always, happy-go-lucky. Let us finish this. I'm mad at you for coming late. I'm angry with you. Mad is a expression, an American expression, which means you're angry. I'm mad at you for coming late. Please read. Read.
I'm mad at you
I'm mad
for
at
coming
you
late.
coming late.
अब हम जैसे पढ़ रहे हैं. Listen to how I'm speaking and speak likewise. I'm mad at you for coming late.
I'm mad at
I'm
you
mad.
for coming late.
I'm mad at you for coming late.
Yeah. So mad should be stressed. I'm mad at you for coming late.
I'm mad at you for coming late.
I'm annoyed at your careless approach. Careless approach means you are
Uncaring.
not paying attention, careless, not caring, uncaring person. ध्यान नहीं देना. आप कमरे में आए, वो आपको ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है, वो अपना कुछ और ही काम कोई कर रहा है. ये तो careless approach. CALLOUS. Careless and careless, same thing. I'm annoyed at your careless approach. कि आप जो बिल्कुल नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं किसी को, या आप जो ध्यान देते नहीं है, आप रजिस्टर नहीं करते कि कमरे में कोई ना हो. आपका अप्रोच थोड़ा अनकेयरिंग है. या रीड.
I'm annoyed at your careless approach.
Careless.
I'm annoyed at your careless approach.
अब तुम्हारा चांसिंग लग रहा है, पुट ऑन एक्सेंट लग रहा है. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए, put on नहीं लगना चाहिए, like this is my
Okay, ma'am.
Even.
I'm annoyed at your careless approach.
ठीक है, हो जाएगा, वो भी हो जाएगा. I'm annoyed at your careless approach.
Ma'am,
I'm
careless
not
just
at your
means
careless approach.
ma'am, careless means also like if someone not showing sympathy towards others.
Yes, exactly. I'm stressed because I have to run errands. I'm stressed out. There's some kind of tension because I have to do some work. Run errands means to work, house chores, काम करना है, कुछ इसी तरह का काम. टेंशन है कि कुछ काम बाकी है, जो काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है. और कोई काम अगर पूरा नहीं हुआ होता है तो that gives rise to tension. So I'm stressed because I have to run errands. Read.
I'm stressed because I have to run errands.
I'm stressed because I have to run errands.
Okay. Now the last.
Ma'am, errands means?
अभी ने बताया काम.
Something
Okay, ma'am.
work.
Ma'am,
errands
errands
काम,
means?
run करना, काम करना. टेंशन है.
मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था ऐसे, मतलब errands का मीनिंग लिखा हुआ था कि मतलब किसी after a short trip for the purpose of business or take or another trip.
हाँ. Errands means always it can be used differently, but here it means run errands. It means you have to run some work, run a program.
Okay, ma'am. Object function.
I'm excited because we are going on a picnic.
I'm excited because we are going on the picnic. I'm excited because we are going on a picnic.
I'm excited because we are going on a picnic.
Excited, excited. I'm excited
I'm excited because we are going on a picnic.
because we're going on a picnic. वो प्लोसिव्स अभी आपको बताएंगे कि ऐसे भी लोग बोलते हैं. जैसे सी को ख बोलेंगे, खज. पी को फ बोलेंगे, पिकनिक. ठीक है, इसको प्लोसिव्स कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. I'm excited because we are going on a picnic.
I'm
Ma'am,
excited because we are going on the picnic.
Ma'am, we used to spoken like UK accent or US based.
No, even in the UK and the American accent, the
Yes,
C
ma'am.
ख, they do not say क, वो लोग ख बोलते हैं.
Kha.
हाँ, सी है तो ख. Caring.
Caring. Caring. Yes, ma'am.
Care.
And ma'am, if we
Yes.
just wanted to pronounce calcium, then what we
Calcium.
pronounce? Calcium. Okay, ma'am.
All the C's are क. ये प्लोसिव्स कहते हैं. मतलब ये उतनी डिटेल में आप मत जाइए. आप करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीख लीजिए. और प्लोसिव्स अगर कर लेते हैं आप, well, nothing like it.
Ma'am, the way you taught.
The people who are working in multinational companies in Simagins जो work कर रहे हैं, you already उनकी tone, उनकी accent बहुत change हो गई है. Half को लोग half बोलना शुरू कर दिए. They don't say half, half. 1.5 years, 1.5 years. तो ये सब आपको already environment सिखा देता है. यहाँ पर आपको हम बताते हैं कि correct way of speaking क्या है. स्पोकन में डाल दिया हमने आपको. अब ये टॉक टाइम क्या है, जैसे अभी तो आप बस ओनली 3rd लेसन पे हैं. अदरवाइज स्पोकन जो है 71 लेसन है इसमें. इसमें क्या क्या है, आस्क एंड आंसर है, पेयर वर्क है, ग्रुप वर्क है, यूजफुल एक्सप्रेशंस है, ग्रामर मोशंस भी है, प्रेजेंटेशंस भी है. आपने दिया ना प्रेजेंटेशन टॉकिंग अबाउट योर हैप्पी मेमोरीज. कहाँ से निकाला आपने? यहाँ से निकाला. टॉक टाइम. And the most important part is fluency drill, जो कि speak better. I am not sharing this content with you because I keep on editing. इसको मैंने बनाया था करीब 10-15 साल पहले. इसको बहुत एडिटिंग करते रहते हैं हम to make it better, right? So once I'm done with it, I'll share this with you. Okay. So I guess that's it for today. So
मैम आप जैसा पढ़ाते हो ना वैसा मैं आज तक किसी भी टीचर से नहीं पढ़ी ऐसे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर और स्पोकन भी बहुत ही एफिशिएंट एंड बोल सकते हैं
मतलब मैं तो
कमांड
क्या तो बोल रहे हो?
बहुत अच्छा मतलब आप पढ़ाते हैं.
और कहाँ तुम इंग्लिश पढ़े हो बताओ?
मैम यहाँ पे इंग्लिश मैं पढ़ी हूँ पटना में. इंग्लिश है वो कैम्ब्रिज मतलब कंडक्ट कराता है कोचिंग सेंटर.
अभी भी जाते हो क्या?
बोरिंग रोड में है.
अभी भी जाती हो?
नो मैम.
क्यों जाओगी?
पहले
यू एट सिमेज.
1 ईयर अगो मैं जाते थे.
आप सब जगह से घूम के आओ. और आपको कुछ लोग एडमिशन लेते हैं BCA BBA में और इंटरव्यू में हम लोग पूछते हैं तो मैम इंग्लिश नहीं बोलने आता है. तो जो कहते हैं कि तो किताबें इंग्लिश में है बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. नहीं वो हो जाएगा. वो हम कोचिंग कर लेंगे इंग्लिश स्पोकन का. हम सिमज में रह के इंग्लिश का कोचिंग कर लेंगे. आप सिमज में हो एवरीथिंग विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, इजंट इट? और बताइए आप हमसे पढ़ रहे हैं कितने हाउ मेनी मंथ्स नाउ? 2-3 मंथ्स. टॉक टाइम, ग्रामर, प्रेजेंट एक्टिविटीज. आपको लग रहा है कहीं कुछ कमी लग रहा है क्या उसको ये करना? Isn't it complete for you?
यस मैम आप वेल एक्सप्लेन पूरा एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से करते हो तो कोई अभी नहीं है. टॉपिक वाइज भी है एक प्री प्लान्ड है कॉन्सेप्चुअल है तो अच्छा लगता
इट इज प्री प्लान. वो तो एक बना हुआ है मॉड्यूल बना हुआ है टॉक टाइम.
है. यस मैम मतलब ऐसे कोई भी मतलब ऑथराइज्ड भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाते हैं ना तो ऐसा नहीं इन्वायरमेंट मिलता है और या फिर इतने वेल एक्सप्लेन टीचर भी नहीं रहते हैं जो मतलब
बेटा आप सिमज में
कोई.
पढ़.
यस मैम बैचलर भी वहाँ पे अगर इंटरव्यू के लिए भी जाता है ना तो बहुत ही बेसिक पढ़ाया जाता है. मैं पटना में भी लेवल देखी हूँ एजुकेशन का मतलब जैसे बट आप भी पटना से बिलोंग करते हो ना तो
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स पटना से जरूर बिलोंग करते हैं. आई एम फ्रॉम पटना, फ्रॉम सेंट जोसेफ कॉन्वेंट हाई स्कूल. और थोड़ी आदत रही है पढ़ने लिखने की, पढ़ाने की आदत है और पढ़ाना अच्छा लगता है. सो आई फील गुड टीचिंग. और फिर हमने बहुत कंटेंट डेवलप कर लिया कि हमने देखा कि स्पोकन बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो कुछ ऐसा मॉड्यूल हमने बना दिया कि वो जहाँ भी बच्चों को पढ़ाया है दे हैव एंजॉयड दिस. कि सबसे पहले लोग बोलते हैं मैम टॉक टाइम करिए, क्योंकि टॉक टाइम करेंगे एक्चुअली वो डेली करने का 71 डेज डेली करने का है. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपको 3 दिन इसलिए कम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिए. ग्रामर पोर्शन भी ज़रूरी था जबकि इसमें ऑलरेडी है. टॉक टाइम में भी ग्रामर है बट देन आपको हमने अलग से दिया है ग्रामर पोर्शन प्लस टॉक टाइम कम्प्लीटली स्पोकन इंग्लिश. एंड एक्टिविटी तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं करेंगे तो आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगी. एंड जैसे आप स्पीचेस बोल रहे हैं नाउ खुशी और शांजलि बोथ ऑफ यू हैव बीन प्रेजेंटिंग एवरी डे. और आपको नहीं लगता है कि विद एवरी प्रेजेंटेशन यू आर गेटिंग अ लिटिल बेटर?
यस मैम इनहांसमेंट
Yes, ma'am.
हो रही है
बस सबसे
Enhancement
पहले
in
डे बाय डे
speaking way.
इनहांसमेंट एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट
And we are all boosting our
afterward.
confidence also.
yes, and this
Yes
is
ma'am.
one thing. This will
It will just boosting our confidence. Yes.
exactly, and confidence is something which
Yes, ma'am.
which people are lacking in. अगर क्लास में 50-40 स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं if they all speaking at one time or the other, the level will be definitely improving, isn't it? So
Ma'am, also confidence come with grammatical portion and how we speak and pronounce these things after the recommendation or guidance of teachers.
and that
Then
should,
confidence will come.
And ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
also brings fluency in
so
speaking
this is
English.
very important. Like these 10 sentences, now you have to speak it. You have to read these 10 sentences without stopping. This will give you a fluency. Like write down
Yes,
something
ma'am.
about,
After practicing.
write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
your about myself. I'm introducing myself. Write down some sentences and read it. Speak with ease. Right. Okay then, guys. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Take care.